national athlete for wheelchair basketball, right?
Yes po.
So now, when you are participating here, no, bakit mo gusto mag-participate dito sa project na ito, representing, of course, the basketball team, but of course, people with disabilities?
Good morning po sa mga nanonood po sa Alipo Region. Last 2024 po, I was also a participant of the Walk, Run, and Roll together with my teammates and the other persons with disabilities po. Nakakatuwa pong maging experience itong Walk, Run, and Roll dahil last 2024 po, I was a breast cancer survivor also. And after my medication and bumalik ako sa sports, na-invite po ako dito sa event na to. And nakakatawa pong isipin na I run 5 kilometer po.
Wow.
Mike.
Thank you. Balikan ka namin. Si Coach Joar, you are also a PP athlete coach.
National coach for
National coach
para-athletes.
Yes. So, this one, we have a walk, run, and roll. Or, especially run and roll for ano po ba ang gagawin natin dito sa course? Ano po ba ang makikita natin? You're participating or one of the organizers? Sorry?
Consultant.
Consultant. So ano po gagawin natin sa walk, run, and roll nito for participants?
Yes. Before dun sa mga dapat gawin sa run, we thank Sir Walter for this initiative to have this walk, run, and roll for our person with disabilities. Kasi napakaraming runs na ginagawa in the Philippines. Kung makikita na naman, Saturday, Sunday may mga fun runs. Pero seldom na natin makita na we will recognize the PWDs running on these particular events. But this event is intended to recognize them. Ito yung platform, ito yung run na mag-showcase ng kanilang participation that they belong to the world of sports. Makikita natin na hearing impaired participating in the 5K, 10-kilometer run, mga naka-wheelchair, mga naka-crutches, may prosthetics, lahat sila are free to participate and na-highlight sila on this particular event. Ang ano natin is yung takot nilang lumabas, tinatanggal natin. Yun yung naging ng event na to ever since nag-start na encourage them to go out, participate on sports na mas malawak yung benefit ng sports sa kanila. So, going dun sa run, yung planning for the run was very good. Kasi ang mga reference natin is from the national team, national athletes, and then the Philippine Sports Commission itself na nag-cater ng mga ganitong sports. So from the route itself pa lang, pinag-isipan na kailangan malawak ang mga kalsada, yung mga nadaanan na natin walang gaanong mga obstacle, walang stairs. So freely na makaka-navigate or makakapag-push yung mga naka-wheelchair natin, yung mga naka-crutches, ay makakatakbo ng maayos. Walang sila-silang mga pwedeng makatapos sa kanila, So yung safety naging primary concern for the organizer. And then, yung pinakamahalaga naman doon is yung inclusivity. So we considered inclusivity in majority of the aspect of the run. Yung parking, portalet, kailangan accessible, yung mga signages, kailangan nababasa, mga martial, yun nga sinabi ni Nico, magkakaroon ng sensitivity. That's very unique with the way they organize the fun run. Kasi on the usual fun run, organized is, sasabihin lang ng runner, they go left, they go right. This time, i-consider nila yung sensitivity sa mga wheelchair, they have to push back the wheelchair, when to push, when to acknowledge, yun yung mga and the safety of the runners and the participants na person with disability, na consider natin yun, yung mga water station in a regular Unrun 2.5, we asked the organizer to adjust it to 1.5 kasi mas tiring magtulak. Kaya kailangan mas malapit yung water station natin. Yun yung ino natin. Yung kilometer na, yung ano pa lang, yung pagpili ng mga category, appealing na siya with the person with disability. Dahil mayroong category doon na madali lang. Hindi siya yung ang hirap naman ng lahat nito, paano kami makakasali. So they organized the 1 kilometer distance na intended for them, na para sa kanila talaga yung category na yon. Yun yung isang ano nila. Tapos, hindi siya nakaka-intimidate turan dahil yung cut-off, binave na yon, yung cut-off natin is talagang you just have to finish and enjoy the race. Yun yung inano natin. And then, kasi ang UP naman, close area eh. Kaya safe na safe tayo doon. And then, on time. Kasi yung iba dyan, ano eh, may RFID po ba, may mga ganyan. Kasi yun yung nagiging hesitant sa ano, very competitive itong ano na to. Kaya yung mga PWD natin, hindi na nag-ano, then may ano na, on time siya. Kaya ang ano natin is, may encourage silang maigit sa ano. Yes, finish, enjoy the race, and ano, go out and to be recognized.
So yes, Coach,